How to change keyboard on Android set default keyboard. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For doing that in your Android phone, we will simply go to settings. So I'll simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys will see a lot of options. So for changing my keyboard to default, I will simply click on search bar. Once I click on search bar, here I will simply search for keyboard. Once I search for keyboard, here you guys can see keyboard setting, keyboard input method, keyboard location, current keyboard, manage keyboard. So simply click on manage keyboards. Once we click here you guys can see current keyboard, manage keyboard. So simply click on current keyboard. Once we click on current keyboard, if your phone has second keyboard and it will enable, here you guys will see other keyboard, like I am seeing only Gboard and you guys will see other keyboard. So if the other keyboard was selected, you guys will see Gboard. Simply click on Gboard, and once you click on that, that's it, your keyboard will be changed to default. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.